Hello everyone, welcome back to explore the Techie Friend Excel in English by Madhuri. Let's read the sentences given here. My aunt sends me a card on Christmas. The sun rises in the east. It started raining suddenly. Can you name each part of the sentence? My pronoun aunt, noun, sends verb, me, pronoun, an article, card, noun, on preposition, and Christmas is again a noun. Can you tell me what all these are? Yes, these are parts of speech. The main 8 parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, verbs, and interjections. Few of the parts of speech I have discussed already in earlier videos. Let's recap quickly. Noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Rahul, Reena, bat, cat, school, shop, and many more. Coming to pronouns. Pronouns are the words that we use in place of a noun. For example, see here, Meera is my friend. She is a doctor. Her clinic is in the next street. So instead of telling about Meera and using her name many times, we use these pronouns. My is also a pronoun. Rayan is fond of sweets. He likes to eat sweets daily. Here he is used instead of Rayan, the noun. We have singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Look here. I, me, my, you, your, he, his, him, she, her, hers are singular pronouns, whereas you, your, we, us, our, they, them, their are plural pronouns. Here we have subjective pronouns, objective pronouns, and possessive pronouns. We cannot use I, we, you, he, she, they in objective place and vice versa. And coming to the possessive pronouns, when we talk about something who that particular thing is belonged to, in that case we use possessive pronouns. This book is mine. This house is ours. This way. The same way we have yours, his, hers, and theirs. Let's see the next part of speech, adjective. Without adjective, we cannot speak English so well. We couldn't even describe a thing so well without an adjective. So adjectives are the words that describe a noun. Adjectives are also called as describing words. Tall tree, green leaf, red flower, beautiful woman, handsome man, some water, few coins, many books, round box, rectangular room, lazy boy, fast train, delicious food, soft pillow, hard rock, whatnot, many more. The adjectives that we use so often are adjective of quality, quantity, number, possessive, interrogative, and demonstrative. Verbs. What are verbs? Verb is an action word or a doing word. As we already discussed, I have done simple present tense video also, you can go with that. Let's see the adverbs now. Adverbs are the words that used to describe the verb, how a thing has happened. See, there are different kinds of adverbs here. Most of the adverbs end with ly and some adverbs are there. We have adverbs of place, time, frequency, degree, to what extent. Frequency is how often something has happened. Adverbs of manner, focus of adverbs. Viewpoint, adverbs and connectives help us to present information in a coherent fashion. In the sense, when we use adverbs, we can enhance the situation. When we explain something to somebody, we can use these adverbs and enhance the way of explanation. For example, quickly, deeply, clearly, politely, brightly, slowly, tightly, softly, and many more. Coming to the conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that join words or sentences. See, for example, here I like apples, I like mangoes. Here, instead of writing two sentences, we can just write I like apples and mangoes. Do you like to have tea? Do you like to have coffee? Instead of that, we can just ask, do you like to have tea or coffee? One more is here, he was absent, he was sick. He was absent because or as he was sick. This way, you can just have a look at different kinds of conjunctions here. And so, or, as, because, since, if, as if, even, though, whether, so that, till, as soon as long as, while, although, and many more. Coming to the interjections. Actually, interjections have no grammatical connection with the sentence as such, but still they are used to express the emotions of the speaker. Suppose say ow, ouch, wow, alas. There are many interjections that we use here and there, and these days the interjection such as wow, yuck, hey, yeah, hi have become regular words that we use in our conversations. But many of us do not know that these are called as interjections. Anyways, last but not the least, sometimes this part of speech is included and we say that there are 9 parts of speech, and moreover we say that there are 8 parts of speech excluding these articles. Anyways, I have done a video, a special video in articles, and you can go through it if you want to have a clear idea. Here I am just giving you a vague idea of articles. There are 3 articles as we know, a, and the. The indefinite articles a and an represent a singular noun. For example, a boy, a car, a flower, a man, and many more. And the definite article the represents specific nouns. When we talk about specific people, places, and other things, other nouns, we use articles. And when we talk something for the first time, we use indefinite articles, and the very thing when we talk about the same thing second time, we use definite article. This is how they go. So these are the 8 parts of speech. I'll be doing the remaining parts of speech videos soon. Go through the earlier videos and get an idea by the time I post coming videos. Hope you have got all the things. What are the parts of speech is the common question that we face in interviews. So I just wanted you to have a look in these parts of speech. Thank you, and share this video to your friends and relatives. Excel in English by Madhuri. Share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Take Google form test, which is given in the first comment below the video. Thank you. Bye bye.